I am Colonel Bhutani. My age is 84 years at the present.
Okay.
I got this implant done nearly 2 years back, and I have a wonderful experience of having got it done. The things I could never think of chewing, I have been chewing them. Any hard thing, probably I think nothing that is left out. I can chew everything.
Wow, that's so nice.
It has been a wonderful experience. And
You're chewing everything, you enjoy your life back to normal?
yeah, I'm back to normal, more than back to normal.
Wow. And what about the looks, the overall aesthetics? Does it bring back some confidence now?
That confidence is more for the people to see, but it gives you confidence, definitely.
And there are a lot of people who are scared they're scared mainly because of they are wondering how much painful would the entire process be. So what would be your advice for those people?
No, I feel it is very normal, even less than a normal extraction.
Okay.
It's almost a painless.
Much bearable by a person.
It's bearable. No, same thing what happened with me also.
Yes.
I never thought of it. And it says
that it would be done in 3 to 4 days or 5 days.
3 to 4 days, and plus it will be so efficiently done.
Yeah.
It is just, God grace, good luck that we came here and things.
But it actually happens in 3 days, 4 days? It does?
It happened almost 3-4 days.
3-4 days. Everything, complete.
Some attraction had to be done. That's why it took a day extra.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it happened 3-4 days.
3-4 days. Okay.
And people can't imagine that.
Yeah. It's too good to be true.
Too good to be true.
Yeah, that's the thing.
People take time to think.
To think, yes.
To
process.
हमारे इधर एज है, अब कितने साल जीऊंगा?
ये चीज सही बोला आपने. Thank you so much.
My dental thing started right from my early age.
Oh.
Because half tooth got broken, then they extract the.
So आपने कितने साल डेंचर पहना सर?
मैंने जिंदगी में डेंचर पहना. Because at the age of 11-12 I got lost my half teeth. तो उनके फिर प्रॉब्लम होगी, कभी वो रूट कैनाल करो, कैप लगाओ, ब्रिज बनाओ. I mean so much of a hassle.
Yeah.
Which
तो अब आपने डेंचर से भी खा के देखा है काफी साल, और अब आपने इन फिक्स टीथ से भी खा के देखा, तो क्या आपने कितना डिफरेंस महसूस किया?
I find this is better than the original teeth.
Yeah. Better than the original teeth? Wow.
Exactly, because I have been using it for such a long time.
Yes.